Today, we have an exciting topic that will take your aerial photography and videography skills to the next level. In this video, we'll be exploring the art of mastering drone camera settings, the tips and tricks for capturing stunning footage that will leave your viewers in awe. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and techniques to optimize your drone's camera settings and unleash its full potential. We all know that drones have revolutionized the way we capture breathtaking aerial footage, but to truly create stunning visuals, it's crucial to understand how to maximize the capabilities of your drone's camera. That's exactly what we'll be covering in this video, unlocking the secrets behind those settings and learning the tips and tricks that will make your footage stand out from the rest. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let me assure you that this is not just another technical tutorial. It's an immersive experience where we'll break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand explanations. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or a professional photographer, this video will provide valuable insights and practical techniques that you can apply right away. Let's dive into each aspect one by one. Number 1. Camera modes. Auto mode. This mode automatically adjusts the camera settings suitable for beginners or quick shots. Manual mode. Gain full control over settings like shutter speed, aperture, and ISO for precise adjustments. Understanding these modes will allow you to have better control over your camera settings and adapt to different shooting scenarios. Number 2. Exposure settings. Adjusting shutter speed. Learn to control the amount of light entering the camera by manipulating the shutter speed. Faster shutter speeds freeze motion, while slower speeds create motion blur. Aperture control. Explore the impact of aperture on depth of field and learn how to achieve a shallow or deep focus. ISO optimization. Discover how to balance ISO settings to manage noise levels and achieve optimal image quality. Mastering exposure settings is crucial for achieving well-lit and visually pleasing footage. Number 3. White balance. Understanding white balance. White balance ensures accurate color representation. Adjusting it based on the lighting conditions helps avoid color casts. Custom white balance. Learn how to set custom white balance for specific lighting situations, such as indoors or during golden hour. Proper white balance settings will ensure your footage reflects true colors and appears visually appealing. Number 4. Filters and effects. ND filters. Neutral density filters reduce light entering the camera, allowing for longer exposures and smoother footage, particularly useful for capturing cinematic shots. Polarizing filters. Reduce glare and enhance color saturation in outdoor footage, especially when capturing scenes with water or reflective surfaces. Filters can greatly enhance your footage by reducing unwanted elements and improving overall image quality. Number 5. Creative techniques. Time-lapse photography. Learn how to set up your drone for capturing stunning time-lapse sequences, condensing hours of footage into a few seconds. Hyperlapse. Combine motion and time-lapse to create dynamic and captivating footage. Point of interest, POI, shots. Explore how to program your drone to circle around a subject, creating visually appealing and dynamic shots. These creative techniques will help you add depth and interest to your footage, capturing unique perspectives. By mastering drone camera settings, you will unlock the full potential of your drone and elevate your aerial photography and videography skills. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our future content. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your drone and capture breathtaking footage.